right, we are at this casino here. Oh, better show the invisible man our ID. Anyway, looks like we have some Schindler elevators. Oh wow, that's a nice lantern. I like that. I like this cab actually. Hold on. Oh, what the heck? It has these buttons. Slot. The valet slots. That's an interesting theme for slot machines. Those are traction.
Going down.
Down to the valet slots. Landed on L3. That is such a funky style of fixture. I like that though. I bet it's to make it easier for all the drunk people so they can just go, oh.